Hi, I'm Dennis with Mega Air, and we're in a subdivision in Slidell called French Branch, and we just put in one of these Bosch inverter-driven systems. It's called the Bosch BOVA system. It's an inverter-driven compressor, and it works 100% off of monitoring the suction pressure coming back and your head pressure. So the whole system function is based just upon pressures. As you can see, it is super quiet. Come over here. I want you to see the amperage on this thing. This is unbelievable. 3.8 amps. Super low on the amperage. This is our pressure gauges here, and you can see it's got a nice inverter board on it, and we're going to do a little decibel test here so you guys can see what the decibels are. .58 is the decibels. As you can see, when I talk, it goes up to 76, 75. So I'm talking louder than this unit actually is making noise. Super quiet. And if you want to get a shot of this inverter board, you can see that, I don't know if you're going to be able to make it out. There's a digital display right there that tells you the speed that it's in, and it is on 40 or 30, I can't tell. It looks like 48. There's about 76 or so speeds to this thing, or 78. So the compressor will vary up and down to find the correct speed setting to get it the correct pressures. It would be nice if Bosch would include a little logic to give you some fan selection, to where when this thing cuts into high speed, the fan would jump up into a higher speed inside. That would be nice, and hopefully they'll do that in the future. Just had this Heil inverter driven system behind me cut on. And they're pretty close in decibels. Now we're at 4.1 amps, so you can see the compressor is constantly modulating on the amperage. We're at 4.1 on the amps, and the speed is on, it looks like 48. I'm going to try to shield the board, get a tight shot of this if I can. That's the board. Hopefully you can see the speed. And then this is the amperage. Unbelievable how quiet and how low the amps are. I have to say this is an A+ system.